how to fix Messenger SD images not loading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger SD images not loading. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1, that is to check the internet connection. So Messenger SD images requires a stable fast connection. So here you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off because the weak internet often can cause the blurry and slow loading images. And with that, moving forward to the step number 2, that is to enable high quality media in Messenger. So simply open the Messenger and now here, once you're inside it, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the menu section, then what you can do is simply tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then simply scroll down and there you can just tap on photos and medias. And now here you can simply check if there is any option labeled as upload and download in SD option. If there is, then you can simply enable it. But here optionally you can also enable use less data off for faster SD images as well. And this will ensure images are downloaded in full quality. And with that, moving forward to the step number 3, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here simply long press and hold on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside the Messenger settings page, then what you can do is simply tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will remove temporary files that may block the SD loading. And with that, moving forward to the step number 4, that is to update the Messenger app. So here simply open the Play Store on your phone, and now here, once you're inside it, simply search for the Messenger app. And there, if you found any update button available, then simply update it to the latest version because outdated apps may not load the SD images properly. And with that, moving forward to the step number 5, that is to restart Messenger and phone. So here, if you have opened the Messenger, then what you can do is simply close the Messenger app completely. And after that, you can simply restart your phone. And once you're done with that, you can simply open Messenger again, and this will fix the temporary glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step number 6, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So here, if none of the above steps are working for you, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger app, and after that, you can simply reinstall it again from the Play Store. And once you're done with that, you can simply log in and check the image quality again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.